Imagine a world where technology is so advanced, it can be hidden in the blink of an eye. Welcome to the realm of the world's smallest gadget, the Microdot camera. A device so tiny, it can fit on the tip of your finger. The Microdot camera, a marvel of modern engineering, is a fully functional camera that measures a mere 2 millimeters in diameter. Yes, you heard that right. 2 millimeters. It's so small, it could comfortably sit on a grain of rice. It's a testament to how far we've come in miniaturizing technology without sacrificing functionality. Don't let the size fool you. This miniature wonder is packed with features. With an impressive resolution of 1200 pixels, the Microdot camera can capture images with surprising clarity. It has an inbuilt storage capacity that can hold up to 1,000 images. This tiny titan is a perfect example of the phrase, "Good things come in small packages." But what can you do with a camera so small? The uses are as diverse as your imagination. Because of its size, it can be used for discreet surveillance, offering security in a tiny package. It can be used in medical procedures, providing doctors with an unprecedented view of the human body. It can even be used in wildlife photography, capturing images of the tiniest creatures without disturbing their natural habitat. The Microdot camera is also a beacon of hope for the future. Its existence proves that technology is not limited by size, that we can create powerful, functional devices that are almost invisible to the naked eye. It's a peek into a future where technology is seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, offering solutions to problems we didn't even know we had. In summary, the world's smallest gadget, the Microdot camera, is a 2 millimeter diameter device with a resolution of 1200 pixels, capable of storing up to 1,000 images. Its applications range from surveillance to medicine to wildlife photography, showing us that size is not a barrier to functionality. It's a glimpse of the future, a testament to human ingenuity and the endless possibilities of technology. So the next time you find yourself marveling at the latest smartphone or ultra-thin laptop, remember the Microdot camera. It's a reminder that sometimes the most powerful things come in the smallest packages.